Welcome to Walt's Tech World. Follow me. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad that you stopped by. So last week I created my first YouTube video on my new channel, and I thought about it and I thought it'd be cool to share with you how I did that. So this is going to be a quick video. It's going to be unscripted, so there may be a couple errors. I have some notes below me here that I may glance down to just so I can keep the video going. But I wanted to share with you the steps that I took as far as making the video, the items I needed to purchase. And again, I'm not sponsored by anybody, so all this stuff was purchased by me. I will provide some links if you're interested in purchasing the same items to maybe start your channel. And again, I'm just glad that you're here. So first, let's get started with what I think was the #1 tool that I used, and that was the app Gemini. Gemini is an AI app that's made by Google. It's a very good app. It basically became my director, my teacher, my instruction booklet, my videographer, my graphic designer. It's almost unlimited what this thing can do. So I think that'd be my first step if I was you, to download Gemini. It's free on the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. I did pay for the paid version, $79 a year, so I could also make videos, AI generated videos. But other than that, it's free, and it's a great tool, and that's what I use to basically guide me through making my first video. So that would be step #1. So the step #2 then is to make sure that you purchase the equipment that you need to film your video. I used an iPhone 14. I'm hoping to get the new one when it comes out this year, the 18. And so, but the 14 does a great job as far as video is concerned. With that, I'm going to turn the camera around, and we're going to look at some of the other items that I purchased to make this video. At the end of the video, if you want to check out the links and descriptions in the comments to these items, you can do so. And if you click on those links and purchase, then I'll get a small commission on those to help me keep my channel going, because again, I buy all this stuff myself. So let's get started. This is one of the first items that I purchased. This is the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. I got the creator kit, which just came with a couple extra magnets, I think, for mounting your phone. It's an amazing thing, or gimbal, I should say. It's got like all kinds of features to it. I used to have one owned by DJI, and this one just like blows it away. But since I'm filming with it, I'm happy to show you the box. But what it does, it keeps your video nice and steady, and it can do all kinds of things. Like, it's got tracking on it, so it can follow you around the room. It's got a tripod on it. It's got its own selfie stick, as you can see there in the picture. Let's get the Walt's Tech World pointer here. It's got a selfie stick. It's got the tripod here that you can that's built into it. And this has just been an amazing piece of equipment. You can check it out. Again, I'll provide some links to it. There's lots of videos made on YouTube already that go in depth, so I advise you to, if you want to get more information, to look at those. The next thing that I purchased, excuse the room, this is a working room. We do crafts and all kinds of things in here. Was this light right here? This is the UB size 14-inch light. It expands up to like probably, I think it was 6 foot. I think that's somewhere around there, but this will help give you your lighting. You need good lighting. It's pretty important when you're doing a video, and this seems to be doing the trick. Again, excuse the table. It comes with a nice bag right here, carrying case, which includes some phone mounts to put in. It's even got a really nice remote, so you can take pictures from afar. Say you just want to, like, say, family pictures. Also, let's get a little closer here. Light doesn't bother you too much. It's got a touch screen on it, Sorry for me moving the camera around. It's got a touchscreen on it, so you can like turn it on and off the touchscreen. You can adjust the lighting on it, and you can go up and down as far as the brightness level. And again, if you want more information on that, there's lots of videos made about the UB size 14 ring. You can watch those to get more in depth. I'm just trying to show you what I used to create my first video. The next big important thing is sound. So I got this Dji Mini Mic, and it's just a little tiny mic. See if I can show you on my shirt right there. It looks just like that. And it's wireless. And you can use Bluetooth to connect to your phone, but I would suggest buying the receiver because your sound quality is going to be better. And that's exactly what I did. I did have to buy an adapter because I have an iPhone 14, and the adapter required a USB-C. I failed to mention, but I see it lying here, so I'll bring that up. The Insta360 also comes with a nice carrying bag right there. So those are the items that I use to start the creation. And I learned a lot of these things through looking at reviews, and Gemini once again helped me to help locate these items and help me to help choose which would be best for me starting out. As far as the video software that I use, I just used iMovie. It was already on my iPhone. You can use whatever video editor that you want to use. iMovie is very simple. I know there's some others out there that you can download, like I think CapCut is a really big one right now, but there's different ones that you can use. And once again, I really didn't know iMovie that well. So I used Gemini to kind of walk me through how to use iMovie. It's a pretty simple app, but it was helpful when I didn't know how to do something or insert a screenshot or something in that I could just ask Gemini. So yeah, so whichever video editor that you're comfortable with, I would suggest just going with that. Everything that is filmed on my YouTube videos has just been my phone. So I haven't invested in a lot of like fancy video equipment, and the phones have gotten so good, and the video quality has gotten so good that there wasn't a need to do so. So again, I apologize if there were some mistakes in this video as far as me stuttering or whatever the case might be. I want this to be a quick video. I didn't want it to be like a 40-minute video. Those are sometimes hard to sit through. I really just wanted to give you an idea of how to get started on your own YouTube channel and the steps that I've taken. And again, you can look at the links to see if there's something that you want to purchase, or just purchase your own. There's so many different items out there. I would just suggest you looking at the reviews. That's what I did. And with that, we'll end this quick video. I thank you for showing up again. Please like and subscribe. I'm a new channel, and really it helps a lot if I could just get some support. I appreciate it. And until then, we'll see you later. Thanks again.